Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Wednesday night with your Weatherblast update. Everybody's going to the grocery store, getting ready for the big snowstorm that's coming, and I do think it's going to be a big snowstorm in Boston with a lot of wind, a lot of blowing, a lot of drifting. So lots to talk about. Let's get right into it and check out the weather headline situation. Major storm is coming. It starts at dawn tomorrow. It's done by about 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow night, and then dangerous cold and wind will follow. So we continue with the weather headline. We're talking about blizzard conditions that may be realized in Boston tomorrow afternoon. Coastal flooding is a concern for northeast winds, 35 to 70 miles an hour. And then dangerous wind chills of minus 20 will follow late tomorrow night and all day on Friday. Temperatures as of early evening, teens to 20s across New England, but notice the minus 20 west of Hudson Bay. That in the modified form is going to be here on Friday with a strong northwest wind. Let's look at some watches and warnings. In orange, it's a blizzard warning from the coast of Maine down to Portsmouth, Gloucester, Merrimack Valley, Boston, Brockton, Plymouth. In pink, it's a winter storm warning where there could be over a foot of snow. Latest radar still shows snow developing. Look at that. Through the mountains of Virginia, western North Carolina, snowing into Charleston, South Carolina. Big showers and thunderstorms developing east of Cape Hatteras. That's going to merge with another snow band coming out of the Great Lakes to form one heck of a storm east of Cape Hatteras tomorrow morning, and we'll show you that from the European model, which shows a developing gale center at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning right out over the Gulf Stream. That'll continue to explode, moving off to the northeast. So by 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, storm is located about 200 miles or so southeast of Nantucket with blinding snow, very strong winds. And look at the bitter cold on the backside. As a matter of fact, tomorrow afternoon, I think the temperatures are going to be falling into single numbers and teens as the wind turns from northeast into due north, gusting over 50 miles an hour in the greater Boston area. So by 8 o'clock tomorrow night, we have a 947 millibar low just south of Nova Scotia. Still some snow in Boston, about to wind down, the storm pulling away. Locally, overnight in Boston, cloudy, cold, snow by dawn, 16 to 25, warmest in town. Here's your 5-day forecast. We'll have snow tomorrow, heavy at times, temps in the 20s and falling, going down to 3 by Friday morning. Again, winds could gust to hurricane force. I wouldn't be surprised if there's numerous power outages as well. And then on Friday, we're talking partly sunny, windy, bitter cold weather near 8.5 below by Saturday morning. Saturday near 6. That's it, with sun and still strong winds. Partly cloudy on Sunday, low in mid-20s. Could be a burst of snow on Monday going to rain as temperatures approach 40. How much snow are we going with? We've upped the amounts in the orange and red zone from Portland, Maine down to Boston, 1 to perhaps as 2 feet. That includes the Cape and the Islands. Now, I don't want you just to focus on the 2 feet. That's why we give a range. 1 to perhaps as much as 2 feet. When you get to 495 and beyond, 6 to 12 inches plus. North and west of there, 3 to 6 plus. That's what I'm going with right now. So that's my forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. We'll be here throughout the night. We'll keep you posted. More weather too. Check me out on Easy 99.1 FM WPLM. I'm Mark Rosenthal.